Is there any way to get to Pacifica from here?
Yeah, you bet. Let's do that. What I'd like you to do is to take the wheel. I'm going to go down to the chart table, plot our course, and get a fresh cup of coffee.
Me?
Yeah, you can take care of us. No problem. Don't hit anything.
Are you sure, Cap? All right, the party continues right here on Staycation Sports Edition.
Hey Charlie, what's up?
What's going on?
Welcome to Pedro Point.
This is gorgeous out here.
I'll meet you downstairs.
All right.
Welcome to our oceanfront home in Pacifica.
Oh my goodness. That's quite literal right there.
Definitely. And it's got an open floor plan, kitchen, back deck back there, and then this is the living room that goes out to the deck.
Gorgeous. So break down the basics for me. What's the total bedrooms, bathrooms?
So it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. One is a kid's bedroom with a loft, and then there's a queen downstairs, and then a queen upstairs.
How do you define this style in here?
I would say like kind of quiet, luxury, beachy. It's got a really cozy feel. The clouds like will settle in, so it's nice to be warm and cozy around the fire.
Oh my God, the fire. Any day's perfect. You could end around the fire with that kind of view. That's amazing. So it is 2 levels. Break down the layout of the downstairs for me.
When you walk into the staircase, and then there's also the secondary bedroom, and then a 3rd bedroom downstairs, and then you come up the stairs, and then this is the main floor with the living room, the dining room, open kitchen, and then from the living room, you walk out into the deck, and then there's a stairway down, and then there's a lower deck with a fire pit. When you walk into the primary bedroom, you see big windows with views of the Pedro Point Highlands. We got the large queen bed that rolls out into the deck. And then we have a little space with chairs that you can spin and look at the view. And there's a nice rug. Above the bed, there is a loft space, which is really fun to go up and hang out in.
So you get views all around this place.
One of the hills and one of the ocean.
I mean, I could see whether you're at the game or you're watching the game from here, it's like you're staying in a painting out here. I'd be out probably on that deck all day.
Yeah, should we go check it out?
I'd love to. Let's hit it. You were not kidding. This is the view.
Yeah,
This is the moneymaker right here, huh? So the people that have not been here yet, can you, the local expert, give us your dream day out here?
I would probably start by walking to the coffee shop down by the beach, then maybe going up to the Pedro Point headlands for a hike, or walking down the path towards downtown Pacifica, and then just coming and enjoying the fire pit for the night.
You know, I've heard some of the best hiking in the world and some of the best golf in the world right here along this coast.
Yeah, you got everything you need.
And you've also factored in all of our friends that are gonna be surfing and participating in water sports, huh?
You take your surfboard down over to Lindamar Beach, come back up, take an outdoor shower, sit by the fire afterward, warm up.
Who needs a towel when you got the fire? Thank you so much for having us.
Yes, of
this
course.
has been a dream. Taking this view, see how many whales we could spot. Do you see the orange right there in the water? That's Lucille, Grace, I'm telling you.
Oh yeah.
Is that him?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, Lou! Lou!